Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, I will show you how to write a Python program to find first digit of a given number. Let's get started. Yeah, we are done. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user, and later on we have to check that number greater than or equal to 10 or not. After that, we have to float divide that number with 10. Then later on we have to print that number. First of all, we have to save the file. Click on File and Save As. Give a name to the file .py. We have to save the file with the extension .py. Click on Save and click on CMD. We have to open command prompt to execute the code. Type cd desktop dictionary. Now we have to give file name .py. Then we have to enter a number. Let's enter 67823 and enter C. We have got 6 as the first number. We'll try once again. File.py. We will give another number now. Enter. See, we got first digit of this number 4. Like this, we have to find first digit of a given number. This is the output.